Greetings, land of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, it just keeps going and going and going. 46,800 on this site. 200-day moving average appears to be support at this point. It's only the second day, so we will see. Funny enough, I don't know if funny is the right word. I don't have the word for it. There might not be a word in the human languages around the world. There might not be a word to explain Bitcoin, cryptocurrency as a whole, pumping on the day that the United States Senate lawmakers passed a bill that is disastrous to cryptocurrency. I know a lot of people out there listening don't want to hear that, and you think that I'm the enemy because I'm saying it, but I'm not going to stick my head in the sand. The president has already said he supports the bill as it is. The Senate just passed it the way it is. There was no change to the wording. If you're not familiar with what this bill is, it's an infrastructure bill. It's going to pass the House, right? It's a guarantee. It's a lock. This is a bill. It's a must-pass bill. They will pass it. The only hope is that the wording can be changed about cryptocurrency. The Senate needs to pass it, the House needs to pass it, and the president needs to support it and sign it. And it's already 2 down and 1 to go, right? The president and the Senate both supported it. Now it goes to the House. If it's not changed, then this is devastating to the crypto market. All that needs to happen is the House to pass the bill without changing the wording around this crypto issue, and it would make new tax reporting rules on crypto brokers, which could include proof of work miners, which is Bitcoin, and proof of stake validators, which is an Ethereum type currency, crypto, right? So maybe the wording gets changed, and it's just they leave Bitcoin out of it and just go after the Ethereum, and or maybe, I I just kind of feel like there's more to this than most people are letting on. This is really close now, right? It's 2/3 of the way done. It's attached to a bill that is going to pass without a doubt. The only issue is they're just going to iron out a few little things, and one of these is the crypto. So, right, Bitcoin, the blockchain's an anonymous, right? So if you put tax reporting rules on Bitcoin miners and proof of stake validators, that it's impossible, right? It's impossible. So in essence, it would basically make a lot of the cryptocurrencies operating illegal. Now the House is on break, and they're coming back. They're supposed to come back like 3rd week of September, but they're talking about coming back the 3rd week of August and getting started. It's for things like roadways and bridges and high-speed broadband for internet and all kinds of stuff. Upgrade our infrastructure, give businesses and schools modern stuff, right? Which is that's why they call it a must-pass bill, because we need that stuff, and this bill is going to pass, right? There's no doubt about it. The big issues aren't really cryptocurrency. If you're involved in cryptocurrency, it's a big issue to you. But the thing about this is a $1 trillion infrastructure package, right? And they're talking about another $3.5 trillion one, maybe. That's why they want to tax crypto, right? They want to use crypto to help pay for it. They want like 28, 30. Well, the number I saw was $28 billion. There's a lot of reason for this bill to stay written the way it is and to tax crypto, because they need the money, right? They need the money. This is a huge bill, a huge infrastructure package. They need the money. So in essence, if they were to not tax, if they were to change the wording and not tax the crypto markets, brokers, whatever, let's not get confused in the words, right? If they were to tax crypto like the way it's written, they'll make a bunch of money. If they take that out, then that's like 20 billion, 28 billion, I don't know, whatever percentage it would be if they change the wording a little bit, right? That's billions and billions of dollars they'll be losing if they change that. So don't if people are out there are playing this down like it's no big deal, then they're lying to you, or they just are in denial. So here's the bit where it says they're supposed to come back. The House is supposed to come back and start working September 20th, but here they say they might come back August 23rd and get started. Consider a bigger spending plan. So they want money, right? If they can get up almost to $30 billion from the crypto market, from the crypto industry, they will do that. They want the money. That's the whole point. So they need the money. And this is, there's more to this. This is not FUD. I don't know what other YouTubers are saying. This is not FUD. Here in another piece of wonderful news directly under this, $611 million worth of crypto stolen from the Poly network, right? A protocol used for swapping tokens across multiple blockchains. So that's wonderful news, right? That's what crypto industry needs. A massive debacle on the same day that the Senate passes bill the way it's written. It's weird. It's weird. It feels like there's a detachment going over here to CoinMarketCap and looking at these, Bitcoin's up 22% in a week, Ethereum's up 30%, Binance up 20%, Cardano's up 31%, XRP 25%, Doge up 35%, Uniswap up 42%. So the whole industry, the whole market is pumping, pump. It's basically one of the biggest pumps in the history of Bitcoin. Let's see before I say that. It's comparable. It's not as big as the first two in December, January 2021. It's not as big as the February pump, but if it goes much further, it's going to be as big as those. This is basically the third biggest pump in the history of Bitcoin, and it's smack dab, literally on top of when the lawmakers, the United States Senate, just passed a bill that's disastrous to the market. I just, it doesn't make any sense to me, right? I'm not, I really like Bitcoin. I really, really do, but I'm starting to see some big problems with the structure that's been built around it. Unfortunately, right? Unfortunately, Bitcoin was never invented to have millennial YouTubers, no offense, guys, promoting 100x, 20x leverage to the public at large, just so you can get your little commissions off signing people up, right? That's that's not Satoshi Nakamoto's vision, right? That's nothing. It's almost, Bitcoin's almost just been twisted into some weird alternate functioning thing. I don't know how to explain it, but if this keeps happening, these pumps and dumps, Bitcoin's not going much further. This bull run, it's probably over with. I mean, just the hype squad keeps it going. No offense, but Bitcoin's not about people on YouTube promoting to the general public to sign up for high leverage trading sites, right? That's that's not Bitcoin. That's not what Bitcoin's about, unfortunately. But the whole reason I like Bitcoin and crypto is because I think it's young, and a poor person or a person with not much money can stick a little bit of money in and just let it sit there. In the next 10, 20, 30 years, it might grow into wealth. That's what I like about this industry, right? That's why I came. That's why I like it. And I still see that as a good investment in a long term. But you can't ignore this bill. This bill will pass without a doubt, and the president will sign it undoubtedly, without a doubt. If the words aren't changed concerning cryptocurrency, then this is a disaster. It's a disaster, right? Because it's not possible for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I already said that. It's not possible for them to report their customers' tax obligations to the IRS because it's anonymous. It's the whole point of crypto. So It'll take years to wiggle out of it and to fix it. So if the House passes this probably October, late September, October, maybe September, you could probably see Bitcoin. If it was that disaster, you could probably see Bitcoin at 9,000. You could probably see Bitcoin at $7,000. It sounds ridiculous, but it's not. Bitcoin was at about 10,000 coming into October of 2020. You could see Bitcoin back down there, but I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news. But I'm not gonna detach myself from reality and try to blow sunshine at you. I'm just gonna tell the news how it is, man. That's how it is. I hope you appreciate this little video, and as always, thanks for watching.